movie, Josh.
Are you a rocking band?
Yeah! Yeah.
Do some dancing, man. Here we are at Lexington and 63rd, waiting for a train to go back because Mum just stocked up again. One of the directions. And the kids are entertaining people for money.
Yeah.
Belle's got about $1 million. Josh has got about 2. Because you don't want to dance. Come on then, do some break dancing.
I can't.
Nah, don't go on the floor.
What?
Thank you, girl.
Got to keep her off that sugar. Is that Mr. Bean?
Doing this the thing. Okay.
Oh yeah, she's a shy little flower.
She's acting like me, Josh.
Oh, he's too cool for that, man. He's too Mr. Bean.
My turn.
Oh, I think that's the way, baby. Okay, I got to stop and I'll run out the camera. Look at the tongue.